Did you know that poor risk management is one of the top reasons companies receive ISO and API nonconformities? Most companies think they have a risk management program in place until their ISO or API auditor start asking questions. Suddenly, terms like risk assessment, risk management, and risk control feels like a foreign language. If you're struggling to make sense of these terms or unsure how to properly implement a risk management program, then this video is for you. Stick around and I'll not only explain these key concepts, I'll also walk you through exactly how to conduct a risk assessment and manage risk effectively. In this video, I'm going to break down the different terminology used, such as risk analysis, risk evaluation, risk assessment, and risk management, so that you stop using them interchangeably. How to conduct a risk assessment that can help your business as a whole, but that also meets the ISO and API requirements. And I'll also explain how to manage risk long-term to maintain compliance and avoid audit failures. And as a bonus, I will cover contingency planning, because risk management isn't just about identifying risks, it's about preparing for worst-case scenarios before they happen. So if you're ready to simplify risk management and make it work for your business, let's dive in. Let me tell you a quick story about a company that thought they had risk management under control until their audit proved them otherwise. I was conducting an internal audit for them and I asked a simple question. When I asked, "Can you show me your risk assessment?" the area manager confidently pulled out a spreadsheet, except it was just a list of risks. No analysis, no evaluation, and no documented action plan. When I asked, "How do you determine which risks are most critical?" the manager didn't know. Then I asked, "How do you ensure significant risks are managed or controlled?" I got blank stares. Long story short, they got a nonconformity. Not because they weren't identifying risks, but because they didn't have a structured process for controlling or managing them. So let's make sure that that doesn't happen to you.